We're at Icon Incorporated today in Dalton, Pennsylvania at our fabrication facility. The business is a turnkey construction company where we don't have to rely on third party to help us out with projects. About a year and a half ago, started looking into processes to try to get our fabrication facility up to speed and do a little bit more work. And I found this Prevco PCR 42. I went and visited one down in southern PA, and the machine was absolutely impressive. The things that it did, the quality that came out of the machine were just top notch. And I knew at that point we had to figure a way to get that machine in our facility and fit it into our process. So before the machine, everything was done by hand. You know, we'd receive material in, we'd have to cut it on a saw. It would take time to load, unload, flip fixtures, and move material around. Then it would come down to our guys. They were having to do all hand layouts. They'd have to cut with torches, notches, copes. They'd use slugger drills to put the holes in the machine or into the steel. With this machine, it takes care of all that. All you need to do is load it. The material runs into the machine, and then the machine will process all four faces of your material. It takes care of all the layout. It'll scribe, it'll mark your material. So when it comes out of the machine, it's ready to put all your fixtures on it. So when I first reached out to Prevco to look at this machine and get some information on it, they were hands down, they got to me right away. As far as getting out to me when I would reach to them, they were right on it. You know, within 5, 10, 15 minutes, they would comment back to me, get me information. Phone call, emails, they would reach out any way you needed them. Prevco PCR 42 it has been a game changer, as I've said before. I would recommend this machine to anyone out there. The speed, the accuracy, the quality that comes out of this machine after it's finished, it's hands down awesome. It's unbelievable what it does. Anybody out there that wants to look at bringing their fabrication facility up into the future and to move ahead in process, by all means, buy the PCR 42.